Again, picking my lines carefully through here so as to leastly impact that front head pipe. What a beautiful sight up here. So it's Friday morning right now. The sun has just come up and I'm going to take you for a fun little ride. We just got the rear cam mounted up on the back of this CB500X. And now we're going to go hit some of the hard splits here at Cleghorn. Come on, let's go. Alright, this next section here, guys, is a bit tricky. I have to be careful in order to pick my line right so as to preserve these head pipes. Probably my favorite thing about this bike so far, other than the fact that it's light, it's flickable, is the fact that it doesn't have ABS, it doesn't have traction control. You just got to ride it the way you want to ride it. Well, that's the thing, you just have to ride it. Alright, let's get a picture here, guys. You just can't tell, no, it's like literally a 2-foot stair step right there that we're going around. Alrighty. That thing's amazing. Know lots of guys on big adventure bikes, and there's no way in tarnation that they would come down that. Oh, here's Travis's bull from last week. Should we rip it? Okay, no visibility. There we go. The amount of holdback that first gear has is pretty awesome. And that's the effect of first gear being too low of a gear to climb some of those hills. That makes it the perfect gear for just being in first gear and cruising down this section of rocky road right here. Perfect amount of holdback. Rocky, rocky, rocky. Into second gear. Trying to be able to see as the sunshine is shining right into our eyeballs now. Dude, this is first gear, clutch completely out, no brakes, just cruising down under engine power. That's phenomenal. Oh! Rock! Got it. Didn't see it. Oh, this is soft. Soft and rocky. Interesting combination. Super rocky. Whoa, this is a nice drop off. Woo! Alright, if this thing had a skid plate, I'd definitely be taking a different line than I'm taking today. But the fact that I've got to avoid all these stair steps because that exhaust pipe hits, having to pick different lines than I would normally pick. bushes. Alright, I cut across here. Which way is the right way? Which way is the wrong way? Only one way to find out. Pick one and go. Got the bottom of the motor. That's no good. You have to stop and inspect that here. Make sure we still have oil in the case. There it is. Clean the exhaust pipe. Can't see anything. Hopefully we're not going to go into a big fat hole or off a cliff. I would normally just go up and over that, but due to the head pipe situation, I'm going to go up and around that direction. Same thing over here. So we got to get up and around that direction there. Dude, this bike is completely sideways. Any big heavy adventure bike, I would have been over on my side asking for help, but this guy is so light I can literally pick the front end up and bunny hop it to the side. It's crazy. Okay, let's get it. Yeah! This 500 rocks, dude. Alright, can't see anything. Can't see anything at all. Look at that tractoring! Dude, this bike is wicked! Woo! Yes! Alright guys, with that successful climb out of the way, again, this is not my bike and I cannot hurt it. There's only a couple of these in the country. So, Well, that, my friends, was a little bit of a workout. Dude, it would have been a much bigger workout on a bigger bike. But this CB500 killed it. It's low enough to the ground that you can pedal when you need to. It is light enough that literally I could pick the front end and bunny hop it over in order to be able to get to that next line. Phenomenal. The torque of this thing in first gear, just being able to lug this thing up the hill, primo. For tooling around up here in these mountains, this is the perfect tool. It's large enough to hit 90 miles an hour cruising down the highway. You can load it with luggage, you can ride it 2 up, and then up here, man, you could chase dirt bikes all day long. This thing's phenomenal. Anyway, I'm going to end this video now because I'm almost out of battery. Get down there to 138 and get over to the next destination. So this is just an example today of how capable these little CB500X motorcycles are. I mean, with these AX41 tires equipped, this thing is dialed. Now again, couple things I do off the bat. Suspension has to get redone. It's way too soft. It needs a skid plate and it needs bark buster. Those are 3 things that I would do out of the gate. Other than that, it's a matter of adjusting ergonomics and making the bike work for you. I'm Bradshaw. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.